Hello everyone, and welcome to Find Your Aroma. Today, let's talk about lemon. Lemon is a member of the citrus family, with a flowering period from April to May and a fruiting period from September to November. Lemon trees typically grow up to 3 to 6 meters in height. The lemon fruit is oval-shaped with pointed ends, and its thick, often rough, yellow peel is a major source of lemon essential oil extraction. The fruit usually has 8 to 11 segments, and its juice is pale yellow in color, with a very sour taste. The seeds are small and oval-shaped. The English name lemon is derived from the Latin word limon. Lemons thrive in warm temperatures, but are sensitive to heat and intolerant to cold. Therefore, they are suitable for cultivation in subtropical regions with mild winters and cool summers, such as the Mediterranean area. Lemons prefer an average annual temperature of 17 to 19 degrees Celsius and are well suited to be grown on gently sloping land with warm and deep, well-drained soil. Lemon is a common citrus fruit known for its tangy flavor and various beneficial properties. It is widely used in cleaning products, sweets, and beverages, among others. Lemons are known to boost the immune system, improve digestion, whiten the skin, promote fat metabolism, cleanse and detoxify the body, calm the nerves, freshen breath, enhance blood circulation, prevent the formation of kidney stones, and provide energy. During ancient Roman times, lemons held great importance. They were considered a luxury item and used in cooking, medicine, and perfume making. It is said that the wife of Roman Emperor Nero, Poppaea, had a fondness for lemons and often used them for beauty and health drinks. Additionally, due to their high vitamin C content, lemons played a significant role in maritime history as a preventative measure against scurvy. In the 15th century, explorer Christopher Columbus planted lemons on his ships to prevent the crew from developing scurvy due to the lack of vitamin C. Similarly, other sailors and explorers carried lemons as a crucial source of disease prevention. Citrus essential oils, including lemon essential oil, are known for their mood-enhancing effects. Citrus fruits are associated with abundant sunlight energy, so inhaling a few drops of lemon essential oil from the palms of your hands or diffusing it can evoke feelings of joy, comfort, relaxation, and even give users a subtle smile. Furthermore, lemon essential oil possesses natural cleansing properties, making it suitable for household cleaning. By adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to cleaning agents or water, you can wipe down surfaces, floors, and kitchen utensils to remove dirt and odors, ensuring a clean home environment. Adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to water in a spray bottle and spritzing it into the indoor air can also help eliminate odors, leaving the air fresh and revitalized. Lastly, lemon essential oil is rich in antioxidants and can be added in small amounts to homemade skincare products such as facial masks and lotions. It aids in brightening the complexion, reducing acne, and promoting even skin tone. Lemon belongs to the citrus family, and all citrus essential oils are photosensitive, meaning they are sensitive to strong light. Therefore, after using lemon essential oil, it is important to avoid exposure to sunlight or areas with strong light. Otherwise, the areas where you have applied the oil may likely experience discoloration. Lemon essential oil's aroma evokes thoughts of sunny summer days or a beach bathed in the warm glow of the yellow sun. It has the ability to uplift one's mood, bring a sense of relaxation and happiness, and make one feel invigorated and energized. It provides a bright, fresh, and revitalizing experience. Its citrusy scent emanates joy and vitality. Do you have any special connections or imaginations associated with lemons? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments. The story of lemons is mentioned in the book Food Fights and Culture Wars. In the 17th century, Europe was devastated by the plague. Between 1630 and 1666, tens of thousands of people died from the plague in places like Venice, Milan, and London. Then, in 1668, the plague broke out throughout various parts of France, but miraculously, the densely populated capital city of Paris managed to escape its devastating effects. In the book, this miracle is attributed to none other than lemonade. Lemonade is referred to as the world's first soft drink, having been consumed as far back as ancient Egypt. By the 17th century, lemonade had made its way from Italy to Paris, where vendors would roam the streets selling the refreshing beverage made from lemon juice, pulp, zest, sugar, and water. The citizens of Paris fell in love with this drink, especially on hot summer days. Interestingly enough, this seemingly simple beverage had unexpected health and hygiene benefits. Firstly, the citric acid in lemons helps prevent the growth of bacteria in drinking water. The abundant vitamin C in lemons also helps strengthen the immune system. Additionally, the lemon oil in the rich lemon zest is a natural insect repellent. The discarded lemon peels left over from making lemonade were thrown onto garbage heaps. Since rats are omnivorous and consume lemon peels, they inadvertently became coated with lemon oil, and as a result, the fleas carrying the plague bacteria were repelled, indirectly disinfecting the garbage heaps, including the impoverished areas. The fleas carrying the plague had nowhere to hide in Paris, and thus lemonade became the hero in improving the sanitary conditions of Paris and preventing the proliferation of pests, effectively neutralizing a catastrophic epidemic that could have claimed countless lives. And that about wraps up our introduction to lemon. If you have any questions, thoughts, or other stories or experiences related to lemon, please leave us a comment below. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming episodes. We will continue to cover more knowledge and stories about aromatherapy and essential oils, so we look forward to seeing you real soon in the next one. Take care.